Bill of entry creation. 1. Click on clearance. 2. Choose declaration. 3. Click on create BOE declaration. A system-generated job number is displayed on your form. 4. Fill the mandatory fields. Choose the type of document you are applying for the BOE with at Reuse Documents. 5. Click on Create Declaration Form. 6. Complete the mandatory fields at General. Enter a user reference name, example, with your document file number, BL or airway bill, invoice, documents, and item tabs. 7. Click on Submit at Summary tab. Your BOE number is generated.